Okay, because we're giving this 0, then the conjugate of that number is also 0. So the conjugate of this one is 3 plus 2i. So then I can find a factor from these two. And this is how I was finding the factor, because you have two zeros, so you're going to get a quadratic factor here. So it's x squared minus the sum of these two. And the sum of these two, when you add these two complex numbers, 3i's will cancel and you get 4, so it's 4x. And when you multiply these two, because you're multiplying conjugates, so then you will just square the first one, square the real part, plus the square the imaginary part, which is 2 squared plus 3 squared, and that is 9 plus 4, 13. So you will build this. So this is one of the factors of the polynomial. Therefore, this is the divisor. So when I divide it, this is going to be my divisor here. Okay, and let me do that over here. So we'll have this. So I'll just do that over here. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 3. Plus 13. Dividing polynomial by this factor, so it's 2x4 minus 8x cubed plus 3x squared plus 12x minus 39. Okay, so now divide 2 by this, which is 2x squared, so it's 2x4 when you multiply it, minus 8x cubed multiplied by 2, so that's going to be 26x squared, and then change the sign. Change the sign, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, so these two cancel, so 23 minus 26 is going to be negative 3x squared, and then you bring the other two down, and do it again. 3 divided by x squared, negative 3x squared divided by positive x squared is negative 3, multiply it, so you get 3x squared negative minus 12x minus 39. This is 39. So this is negative 39. And then you change the sign. So change the sign, you'll get positive, positive, positive. And you add all of them, you get 0. So the remainder is 0. That's, of course, expected. So this is that, and this is that, right? So these two are the factors. So because we need to find the remaining 0, so therefore we already know 2 zeros, right? So one 0 was this, and the remaining 0 is 1 was the conjugate of this, which is 2 plus 3i. And then the other 2 are going to come from this quotient here. So I will take that and set it to 0. This is going to give me 2x squared equals 3, x squared equals 2. Then take the square root of both sides, so it will be x equal to plus minus square root of 3 over 2. So you can leave it like that, or you may need to simplify it. Not sure how they will accept it, but if you want to simplify this, then it will be square root of 3 divided by square root of 2. Then you can multiply top and bottom by square root of 2 to rationalize it, which will be square root of 6 over 4. So then you can write it square root of 6 over 4 and negative square root of 6 over 4. I mean, over 2, sorry, not 4. So root 2 times root 2 is just going to be 2. So this is actually just a 2. So right here, we're just going to have 2 here and 2 here. So this will be the remaining 0. And 1 was already given, so in total we have 4 zeros for this.